In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect K8 wireless microphone to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPhone model you have, you can easily set up and use your K8 wireless microphone. So usually, when you buy this microphone, it is going to include a transmitter and a receiver. So you will plug the transmitter, or rather the receiver, into your iPhone, and then you will use it in conjunction with the receiver. It is incredibly simple to set up. So all that you have to do is plug it in to the USB-C port on your device. If you are using an Android device, basically 99% of them are going to have a USB-C port. But if you are using an iPhone, you might have a Lightning port. In that case, you need to grab an adapter that converts Lightning to USB-C. So just grab the corresponding adapter and make sure that you have a USB-C port available to plug the K8 into. Once it is plugged in like this, you will grab the other piece and then you will find the power button. So in here where you actually speak into the mic, just power it on. Usually it is going to automatically find, detect, and pair itself up with the transmitter. Or the receiver, sorry. So just make sure that they are in close proximity, and as you can see here, the indicator on the receiver will always stay on. This will allow them to connect together, and all that you have to do is make sure that it is fully plugged in, receiving power, and then power on the main unit here. You can speak into the mic, you can open any compatible application like a voice recorder to see if your voice is being picked up, control the levels, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.